is the movement of the planet Earth around the sun to complete 1 year or 364 and 1/4 days. So, while the Earth revolving around the sun, it will also changes the season of the planet Earth. That is why in the planet Earth, we will experiencing 4 seasons. Winter, summer, fall, and spring. Ba? So ngayon, dahil sa kanyang tilting, when the Earth revolved around the sun, it also tilted 23.5 degrees. And this is now makes the planet Earth experiencing 4 seasons. While the rotation is the motion of the planet Earth around on each axis. In other words, the rotation made by the planet Earth on its axis within 24 hours only. That is why we are also experiencing day and night. Diba? Okay?